What are your workers doing today? Let's find out. This is the Employee Efficiency Report. This will tell you how well your employees are performing against your estimate as a group and individually. This tells you the current average labor rate on your project so you can constantly monitor it against your estimated average labor rate. This is your overall percent of efficiency for all labor on your project. This is the allotted budget for the work that has been completed to date. Here are the actual labor dollars spent for the work that has been completed to date. Here are the allotted budget hours for the work that has been completed to date. Here are the actual hours consumed for the work that has been completed to date. If you give a worker a raise, that should be because they are earning the company more money and you can afford to pass some of those earnings back to the employee. If you give workers raises and they earn you less money than you're paying them, you're guiding your company into a hole. This number here tells you how your workers are performing against your estimated average labor rate. The actual average labor rate is $27.91 per hour. Your crew is working at the level of a $34.72 per hour worker. That means collectively they're producing at the level of about a $35 an hour electrician and only charging you $28 per hour. Down here, we can dive a little deeper into the productivity of our field crew. These are our individual workers. This is their classification. This is their productivity rate. So the top three in green are beating their estimated installation times by 14.8%. The bottom three in red are taking 17% more time to install their work than estimated. These are the hours that have been scheduled to them to date. These are the hours they have used to complete the tasks that have been scheduled to them to date. This is their current wage. This is the wage level they are working at on this project. This is the average wage level they have worked at on all of the projects they have completed for the company. Since this is the only project we are tracking this crew on, the lifetime wage equivalent matches the project wage equivalent, but it will adjust as they complete more projects. This is a great tool for determining who is eligible for a merit increase, bonus, or who might need training. Once you put tasks with time limits in front of workers, something really mysterious is going to happen. Things are just going to start getting done on time. If they don't, one of two issues will be going on. Either they encountered an obstacle that was unforeseen in the estimate, or they need training on a certain type of installation. I have never been unable to get an employee into the green that honestly wanted to succeed with the company. What are your workers doing today? Shouldn't you find out? This is another of the ways our profitability software can help keep your projects on track for a profitable delivery.